California, it is a matchstick. And we know this because recently we saw some horrible fires that just wiped out a whole town. Thousands of people are displaced, no more homes. We don't want that to happen to you. We want to make sure that you have the right landscape elements in place so that you are protected. Now, here's one of the challenges that we have. California is laced with these beautiful hills. I mean, look at these things, my goodness. We've got wildlife, we have all kinds of native plants, beautiful things. But you want to know something? If we end up getting just one day of heat, you want to know what's going to happen? That's all going to dry out. And here's something they don't tell you at the nurseries when you buy your native plants. Those things are just filled with fuel. That's why they go up so fast. There's actual turpentine-like content in some of those plants. Now, that being said, we don't want you to be afraid. We want you to do the right thing. And the right thing is right underneath your nose and it tickles your toes. It's grass. Make sure that you have a buffer of turf that is in between all of that beauty over there and the beauty of your house, the beauty of your family, your children, your pets. Because this buffer right here is gonna slow down any potential fire that's coming over because you're taking care of it. It's got moisture, it's wet, you're fertilizing it, you're feeding it, you're doing all the right things, and that's what we want, don't we? So with that being said, grass, it is good for you, it's good for your family, it's good for the environment.